Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to activate your Illinois SNAP benefits for 2025. If you're unfamiliar, SNAP, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is a vital resource that helps low-income families and individuals access nutritious food. With updates rolling out in 2025, it's crucial to get this right, so let's break it down step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you're eligible. In Illinois, you generally need to be a resident with a household income at or below certain limits. Check the Illinois Department of Human Services, DHS, website for the latest 2025 guidelines. Once you're approved and you've received your link card in the mail, activation is your next move. Step 1. Gather your card and any required info, like your card number and personal details. Head over to the official Illinois DHS website or call the helpline at 1-800-678-4319. You'll need to verify your identity, so have your social security number or other ID ready. Next, set up your PIN. This is a quick process where you'll choose a 4-digit code for security. Remember, keep it something only you know to protect your benefits. For 2025, there might be new online portals or app options, so look for updates on the DHS site to make it even smoother. If you run into issues, don't panic. Common problems include delayed cards or PIN errors. Just contact DHS support right away. Pro tip: once activated, use your link card at authorized retailers and track your balance via the mobile app to stay on top of your benefits. Activating your SNAP benefits could be a game changer for your household, so don't delay. Head to the Illinois DHS website for more details, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and take care. See you in the next video.